maybe if I get, you know, more followers and I get, you know, enough likes, maybe I'll start giving away wax melts and the clamshell melts. I'll do smaller giveaways, you know, but we're going to start with the $100 one that I've got to hit the sales for, because that's important, you know. I have a small shop. I don't advertise. I get some walk-in traffic, but I don't get a lot because I'm on a busy street, but people go by at like, you know, the speed limit's 40 or 50 and people go by. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Alexis. But they go by really quick, so sometimes they don't even see the shop. I put flags out, but I have to advertise more here, and it's not in my budget right now. Most of my business comes from online sales. The small little shop I have is a bonus from my workshop. I made a small shop in the front, so I'd be able to sell some of the stuff I made.